I'm sure most of those highlights are Sagar Kalyan and his cover drives. It's been absolutely brilliant. That again, the no ball, very expensive. 5 wides, they were all over the park, Fujairah. Sagar Kalyan in the middle, looking like absolute gem. His cover drives were magnificent. He's been very good on anything short outside off stump as well. Then when Aryan Lakda came into bowl and Maroof as well, he tonked them over mid-wicket for huge sixes, releasing the pressure.
Brilliant batting. This was plumb in front. Hafizur Rahman striking. Asif Khan was out there in belligerent mood, hooking and pulling the ball for fun. This was absolutely nailed through square leg as well. And Sagar Kalyan just kept on going. That extra cover drive he plays so well through the gaps or lofted. This time short and cut, hammered away over backward point for 4. Maroof Merchant was taken to the cleaners tonight. Mohammad Wasim tried his level best. Mujahid Amin finally did produce the edge. Excellent catch by Ahmed Raza. But Maroof Merchant was off his lengths today and was smacked for sixes. Sagar Kalyan striking the ball beautifully. And Dawood Ijaz also climbing in for good measure. Anything short, anything wide, and was slapped for 6. Ahmed Raza came into the attack and tried to reverse the trend. That was another top shot. But Rahul Chopra lost his discipline, threw his wicket away. Excellent catch by Mohammad Wasim. This one was right after the wicket, giving away 4 runs down the leg side. Nasir Aziz, the captain, then came in, tried to settle affairs. Sagar Kalyan was unstoppable tonight, Abdur Rahman.
And looked really good. Ali Mirza there, giving his wicket away. He could have easily finished the game with Sagar. In the end, Safir Tariq as well. Very disappointing from the two of them. Then the captain, Nasir Aziz, the Don, came in, played some excellent cricket. Some excellent shots. Then when Hafiz gave him that free hit, swung for the fences, got a third man edge. That was the writing on the wall. In the middle, Fujairah, absolute joke of fielding from Farooq. Then Sagar finishing it in style to the point boundary for 4. Absolute brilliant scenes there. That sword celebration, aka Ravindra Jadeja. Brilliant to watch. Scenes, absolute scenes.
And it couldn't have gotten any better than this. I'm here for the post-match presentation, and with me I have the 2 captains and the man of the match. Let's start with the losing captain for tonight. It's Ahmed Raza from Team Fujairah. Ahmed, hard luck today. I think it was a good game. Overall, you guys have played tremendously well, but just not your night tonight.
Yeah, I think first of all, congratulations to Ajman, and a special congratulations to Sagar. I thought the way he batted was brilliant. Didn't give us a sniff, and eventually, I think I don't know, 50 to 70 runs short.
Yeah, what do you think went wrong? Of course, the runs were not there on the board, but was there anything different that you could have done in the first innings to get those runs?
Well, quite a few things. I think Sagar has shown us that hundreds win you games and not 30s and 50s. So I think it's ourselves to blame for that. I thought that wicket was beautifully, and I think maybe it was a 270 wicket, and we were short, and we kept losing wickets in clusters. We spoke very highly. Shiraz is one of their main bowlers. We spoke a lot about him, that if we keep him out of the game, they won't be able to pick those many wickets. And eventually he got a fifer. So again, it's we have to look ourselves in the mirror and take the blame.
Yeah, the middle order again it's not that you lacked experience, but do you think, again, coming to that D50 format, do you think less practice and less exposure to these kind of games is the result that you've got today?
No, I don't think so. A few of those players are playing in the UAE camp, so we play a lot of 50-over cricket over there. So, I mean, that's an excuse. And if you want to give an excuse, there are 100 to give. So I don't think there's any excuse which can cover this kind of performance. Eventually, a better team won this game.
Talking about the bowling, do you think you lacked one fast bowler? Hazrat Luqman maybe could have been, in hindsight now, would have been a better option, considering the spinners are having a problem gripping the ball?
Yeah, I mean, cricket in hindsight is the easiest thing. Again, we tried the combination of going with an extra batter because we lost Usman due to an injury. So we tried doing that. But again, I think even with the ball, the way we started was pretty poor, and then eventually spinners were finding it really hard to grip the ball, and well, he played a gem of innings. You got to give credit where it's due.
Yeah, it was a chanceless innings, no chances. Let's say if you come back again and if you have to face Kalyan, do you have any plans you think you could have done differently?
Yeah, I think ball a lot straighter to him, and again, that's something which we spoke about before the game.
Yeah.
We failed to do that. The execution was poor. But again, I think he played a very good innings. So let it be his night, and let's not put it so much on the bowlers.
Right, Fujairah have done well. You've done really well. I hope Fujairah comes back stronger in the coming tournaments. Well done, Ahmed Raza.
Yeah, it's brilliant. There are 2 new finalists and hopefully a new winner in our calendar. So I wish best of luck to Ajman, and wish our ECB boys and hopefully a great finals.
That's right. Thank you so much, Ahmed.
Thank you.
Right, that was the losing captain, Ahmed Raza, today. Yes, he's right. They are not going into the finals. We have 2 new finalists. But let's talk about the one that is with us right now. It is Nasir Aziz Dawn from Team Ajman. Nasir, बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो, वेल डन. पहला फाइनल है. हमने काफ़ी बातें की हैं अबाउट अजमान की इतनी अच्छी टीम है लेकिन नहीं जा पाती फाइनल्स में, लेकिन आज वो सारी चीज़ें जो हैं वो आपने पीछे छोड़ दी हैं और आप पहली बार फाइनल में जा रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही बात है. और डेफिनेटली हमारी टीम का मोराल भी बहुत अच्छा है, मैनेजमेंट का काफ़ी सपोर्ट है, और थ्रू आउट हमारे जो लड़के हैं जितने पूरा टीम वर्क है बहुत अच्छा करें. इवन बॉलिंग है, बैटिंग है, थ्रू आउट कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत अच्छा बना है.
जी, हम बात करें पहले के मैचेस की और पहले टूर्नामेंट्स की, हमेशा बात हुई थी कि कुछ ना कुछ लैकिंग है. तो इस बार आपको क्या लगता है, क्या डिफरेंस है जिसके चलते आप इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं और पहली बार फाइनल खेलने जा रहे हैं?
वो अभी 50 ओवर्स देखिए डिफरेंट फॉर्मेट है. जो हमारे जो बैट्समैन है जैसे लाला बड़ी अच्छी फॉर्म में है, फिर सागर है, राहुल है, दाऊद है, उनकी वजह से एक लंबा फॉर्मेट है. तो इस वजह से हमारी टीम का जो है ना बैटिंग का, देखिए हमने हर मैचों 50 ओवर ऑलमोस्ट सारे मैचों में खेले हैं और 260, 270, 280 रन किए हमने. तो इस वजह से बॉलर को भी काफ़ी सपोर्ट मिलती है उसके लिए.
अपने बारे में भी बताइए, क्योंकि आपने भी कुछ कम कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं किया है बैट के साथ, बॉल के साथ, और सबसे ख़ास बात आपने कैप्टनसी इस बार बहुत अच्छी की. तो इस बारे में बताइए क्योंकि कुछ अलग था.
कैप्टनसी जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन सारी टीम कॉम्बिनेशन की बात है. जिधर जिधर मैंने कोशिश किया कि चेंज करूं, वहाँ पर रिजल्ट भी मिला थ्रू आउट. जैसे शिराज है, लास्ट मैच में हम लोग इसी से जो खेले थे दुबई से भी, क्योंकि काफ़ी सारा ड्यू हो जाता है, आज भी कम था क्योंकि हमारे मैचों में तो काफ़ी ड्यू होता ही है.
करेक्ट.
तो थ्रू आउट मैं ऑल क्रेडिट देता हूँ अपने बॉलर्स को, क्योंकि 200 पे आउट करना, फुजारा भी सेमीफाइनल है, 200 पे आउट करना तो बिग गेम है.
बात करते हैं बड़े फाइनल की. अभी कांटे की टक्कर है क्योंकि दोनों नए फाइनलिस्ट हैं. आप भी और एमिरेट्स ब्लूज भी. यंग बच्चे हैं लेकिन ज़रूर एक स्टेटमेंट के साथ लेके आएंगे.
डेफिनेटली अच्छा मैच होगा.
तो क्या प्लानिंग है उसके लिए?
प्लानिंग तो यही है, इंशाल्लाह जीतने के लिए खेलेंगे
जी.
बाकी गॉड नोज.
चलिए, ऑल द बेस्ट. बड़ा फाइनल है, 2 दिन आराम कीजिए एंड वील सी यू ऑन संडे.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू. Thank you.
That was the winning captain Nasir Aziz with his insights about the game. Let's head back to the man of the match, because that is something which is a special performance. It is the Centurion, Sagar Kalyan. Back-to-back man of the performances for him. Let's have a word with Sagar Kalyan. सागर, बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. बहुत बढ़िया परफॉर्मेंस थी. पिछले मैच में 83 किया था, तो इस बार आपने ठान लिया कि पूरा 100 करना है.
हाँ, इस बार तो मैं पक्का करके आया था कि मुझे 100 ही करना है, और थैंक टू गॉड 100 हो गया.
बताइए कैसी थी विकेट बैटिंग करने के लिए, और कैसे आपने इस इनिंग्स को बिल्ड किया, क्योंकि ऐसा कहीं लगा नहीं कि आप बीट हो रहे हैं, आप कोई तकलीफ में है. बहुत ही स्मूथ इनिंग्स थी आपकी.
विकेट तो आई थिंक काफ़ी इजी था, और टारगेट भी बहुत इजी था
जी.
और दैट्स इट. बस.
तो साथ में पार्टनरशिप आपके जो है ऑपोजिट साइड पे सारे विकेट्स गिरते जा रहे थे, तो वो आपके ऊपर एक प्रेशर बन रहा था कि यार विकेट्स हो रही हैं. और आपने पहले की मैचेस भी देखे हैं, शारजा थोड़ी सी ऐसे टाइम पे डगमगा गई थी, लेकिन आप थे तो काफ़ी संभाल के चलाया आपने उसको.
नहीं, आई थिंक मुझे कहीं भी ऐसा नहीं लगा. बस थोड़ा लगा जब राहुल आउट हुआ जी, तो उसके बाद थोड़ा पैनिक हुआ, फिर थोड़ा और पार्टनरशिप हुई तो हम लोग जीत गए.
अच्छा, गाना गाने का क्या राज है? हमने सुना आप गाने गा रहे थे बीच में.
नहीं, एक्चुअली मैं थोड़ा बोहेमिया का थोड़ा फ़ैन हूँ, तो इसलिए तो गाता रहता हूँ बीच में.
तो चलिए, ऑल द बेस्ट बड़े फाइनल के लिए. उम्मीद करते हैं वहाँ पे भी आपका बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. थैंक यू.
Okay, thank you. Sagar Kalyan, the man of the match, the Centurion in the big semi-final against Fujairah. Well, a great game. We are looking forward towards the big finals. I'm sure you must be looking forward to that game as well. Back to you guys in the com box.